Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate appraisal monitoring with Black Knight for valuation insights. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate appraisal monitoring with Black Knight for valuation insights, start by logging into your Black Knight account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the appraisal monitoring section on the dashboard. Click on the Activate button within the appraisal monitoring area. You will be prompted to confirm your choice to activate the feature. Review any terms and conditions that appear and accept them to proceed. Next, customize your appraisal monitoring preferences. Select specific criteria for properties you want to monitor, such as location and property type. Once your preferences are set, click the Save button to ensure your selections are recorded. The system will then begin collecting appraisal data based on your specified criteria. You can monitor updates through the appraisal monitoring dashboard. To access detailed valuation insights, click on the Insights tab. This section will provide you with analytics and trends related to appraisals. If you wish to receive alerts, enable notifications in the Settings menu. You can choose to receive these alerts via email or through the app. Always check for updates in the system to ensure you have the latest features available. Regularly review your appraisal monitoring insights for any changes or trends. Adjust your monitoring preferences as needed to align with your business goals. Engaging with these insights will help you make informed decisions regarding valuations. You are now set up to use appraisal monitoring with Black Knight. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.